你好，欢迎来到中文课堂。Hello, welcome to Mandarin lesson. So at Hospital School, we're offering Mandarin Excellent program. So if you're interested in Mandarin, you should show interest and then choose Mandarin at Hospital School. I believe most of you have done so. Okay, I'm the Mandarin teacher, Mrs. Zhang. So Zhang is my surname. Okay, so today I'm going to give you a brief introduction about Mandarin. Okay, so firstly, I'd like you to have a look at the map, trying to find where China and the UK are. Can you see where China is? It's around here, and then where the UK is this one. So can you compare the size between the UK and China? Okay, how far are they from each other? Okay, so spend 1 minute here trying to compare these two countries. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to say numbers in Mandarin. Okay, in Mandarin Chinese. Okay, so firstly, so this is Chinese letters. This is called Chinese character. Okay. So how do we say this one? Let's try to pronounce. You repeat after me, okay? So it sounds like easy. So it's e. So it's number one. E. So we say e, okay? So number one in Chinese we say e, number one, okay? And then how do we say number two in Mandarin Chinese? It sounds like so 二 So look at my mouth. See how I say 二 So you roll your tongue in the back and then 二 okay? Number three. So you read the letters again. And three lines is the Chinese character. So 三 like see that's the English, the equivalent English. Okay, 三 repeat after me. 三 okay. And number four. Have a go, see how you say it. It's like fourth. Okay. So look at my mouth again. 四 You can see in Chinese letter there's a toe down, right? So you need to go down. 四 Okay. And number five. So how do we pronounce this one? With a little accent here. You say 五 So your mouth is very small, but this goes down and up. 五 Okay? Repeat after me. 五 And then we say number six. How do we say number six? It looks like a person, right? The character. And Leo. It sounds like Leo. So repeat after me. Leo. Okay, great. So now we come to number seven. How do we say number seven? So in English, we sound like k, but in Chinese, it's not. It sounds like so say after me. Qi. It's like cheese. Qi. Okay. And number eight. How do we say number eight? Ba. Okay, number eight. That's number eight. This is called ping. Letters are called ping. And characters. This is character. We need to learn. And then we say this letter. Try to pronounce ping. So quite similar to the sound in J. This 九 G U 九 okay, so repeat after me one more time. 九 okay, great. Then number 10, how do we say number 10? Looks like the character looks like a cross, right? Then let's say 十 okay? So always pay attention to how I say 十 okay? So now we finish saying number 1 to number 10, from number 1 to number 10. How do you find it? Is it easy, medium, or quite hard? I don't think it's that hard, okay? So let's have a look. In Chinese, we use fingers to count, to learn numbers. So for example, let's do 一. Can you follow me and do it together? 一 二 okay? Number 3, 三 Number 4, 四 Number 5, 五 okay? Do you think I remember? Let's do it together. Number 1, 一 Number 2, 二 Number 3, 三 Number 4, 四 Number 5, 五 okay? Number 6. So 6 should be this way, like 六 Number 7, 七 Number 8, 八 okay? Looks like 8, right? Looks like 8, 八 Number 9, I nearly said number 9. Number 9 is like this, 九 And then number 10 looks like cross, 十 Okay, shall we do it together from number 6 to number 10? 六 七 八 九 十 Okay, so now I'm going to show you a video. So you click the link and you will be able to see a video. So I opened it already, so let's just go on the video. Go on the video, have a look, okay? Ling. 二 三 四 五 六 七 八 九 十 Are you sure?
Okay, let's try together.
Okay, say it together. 零 一
二 三 四 五 六 七八 九 十
Okay, great. So you can always go to the video. Just search Chinese numbers and you will find the video, okay? So what I want you to do now, to do a pair work, you can do this with your siblings always your parents. So your parents can say English. So your parents can say one, and then you try to say one in Mandarin. So and your parents say two, you say in Mandarin 二, okay? And then you can use Mandarin to test your parents how to say numbers in Mandarin. Okay, so for example, you say your parents need to translate, so you need to understand. Your parents need to understand. Okay, so maybe probably spend 5 minutes on this task. Okay, 非常好, great. So let's try to recognize numbers in Chinese. So what does number one look like? Number one in Chinese look like? It's just one line, right? Number two, 二, two lines. Number three lines. And number four, what does number four look like? Look at the character. This is character. What does it look like? It looks like a window, right? With curtains. Number five looks like number five. So, ooh, it does look like 5 PC. Okay? So, try to use images to compare, try to use images to help you memorize the characters. Okay? Number 6, what does it look like? It looks like a person. You can imagine that person's head, hands, arms, and then legs. Yeah. Number 7, what does number 7 look like? It looks like a letter T. What does number 8? It looks like a volcano. Okay. Number 9, it looks like slides. Can you imagine that? Slides. Number 10, a cross. Okay. I'm not sure whether you remember from number 1 to number 10, but you can ask your friends, your parents, your siblings to test you. Okay. So, lots of people say, oh, Mandarin is too hard, can't write the characters. However, it's not mission impossible. I'd like to say it is mission possible because there are rules of writing characters. As long as you remember the rules, you will be fine. Okay? So there are 2 basic rules for you to remember when you write the characters. You need to write from left to right, top to bottom. Okay? If you have chosen Mandarin as your language and host-based school, you better remember these 2 basic rules, okay? Before you come to host-based school, okay? So let's have a look how to write the characters. So in your head, you remember left to right. So I'm going to write this character. Number 1, E. Can you see this arrow? So from left to right, so you treat it as my pen. So just E, left, right, R. So I do the top first, but follow left to right, and left to right. So you can see I always finish the top bit first, and then the bottom. And then top first, left to right, left to right, left to right. So you see I didn't finish the bottom first, right? I finished the top first. And this one I go down, left to right, top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom, and left to right, top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom, and left to right. Okay? Can you see the rules we just mentioned? Always follow left to right and then top to bottom. You don't write from bottom to top or right to left, okay? 非常好. And this is number 6, number 10. Again, you follow the rules, okay? So you can get a piece of paper out. You get a piece of paper out and a pen. You're trying to copy the characters. If you can write the characters now, that basically means you're brilliant. Yeah, you're brilliant. Okay, you're brilliant in writing characters. Characters are not hard for you. Okay. So there are some videos you might want to watch. You can search on YouTube. You search greetings, 你好，我叫 Tim. It's very nice song. How are you? 你好吗? And then some numbers, the song we just mentioned. And there's some Chinese culture, Hello China. So you can just search those videos and watch by yourself. And then be fully prepared for September. Okay. And I'm very excited to welcome you to my class, my lesson, Mandarin lesson. Okay, 谢谢你，再见. There are also some tasks I prepared for you. I'm going to show you what it's like. You can ask your parents to print them out so you can do it at home. So, for example, some matching activities. So, for example, you need to recognize what the characters are. Okay, for example, you claim that that's number one, right? So you link them together. And number two, that's number two. Number three and number four is like window with curtains. Curtains, right? So this one. Number five, where's number five? It's like five. Number six, like a person. So there are lots of activities for you to do. So you could choose to do a few. There are five you can choose. So this is matching activity as well. You just need to remember how to say number 1 to number 10. Okay? Okay, so this one is to help you to write. Can you see? So you can trace, just write on top of it. And then after you finish tracing, you write it down by yourself. Okay? So as you can see, in Mandarin Chinese, you basically learn how to write this. This is your pinyin. Pinyin basically means letters, similar to English, and you have to write characters, which you can see is not too difficult. Okay, that's everything. Hope you enjoy this lesson, and then hope you learn a lot from this lesson. Remember how to say the numbers. Okay, 谢谢，再见，再见，再见，Miss. Goodbye.